6, Unit 11, multiplying 3 or more digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Unit 11.1, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 0 through 5. Example A, we have 167 times 2. You're going to start to the far right. 2 times 7 is 14. Write down the 4, carry the 1 into the tens position. 2 times 6 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. Write down the 3, carry the 1 into the hundreds position. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3, for an answer of 334. Example B. We have a missing number here. We're going to start off to the far right. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry the 3. Well, here we have our missing number, so we're going to skip ahead one step and look at the last multiplication. We have 5 times 1. Well, our answer is 8, so that lets us know that we had to add 3. That gives us 33 here, the 3 from what we carried and the 3 from our answer. If we subtract the 3, we end up with 30. So what number plus 5 or times 5 gives us 30? Our missing number is 6. Unit 11.2, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 3 through 9. Let's look at example B. We have a missing number in this problem. Because it is the number that comes first, that we multiply first, we're going to work all the way to the end and work backwards. So let's look at 3 times 1, which is 5, or which is, we have 5. So what would we have to add? We have to add a 2. Now we have 22. 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 1 is what gave us the 22. So that means we had to carry a 1. Now we have 1 and 5, which is 15. So what number times 3 equals 15? 5 is our missing number. Unit 11.3, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 5 through 9. Let's look at example B. 9 times 5 is 45. So we write down the 5, we would have carried the 4. 9 times 8 plus 4 is 76. So write down the 6, carry the 7. Now we have our missing number. Now if we subtract the 7 from 43, we have 36. What number times 9 equals 36? Our missing number is 4. Unit 11.4, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 0 through 9. Let's look at example A. We're going to start to the far right with 8 times 6. That is 48. So we write down the 8, carry the 4 into the tens position. 8 times 0 is 0, plus the 4 is just 4. Then we have 8 times 7, which is 56, for a final answer of 5,648. Unit 11.5, multiplying 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Let's look at example A. Again, you always start to the far right. 5 times 1 is 5. Write down the 5. There's nothing to carry. Let's look at the second number. 5 times 2 is 10. Write down the 0. We'll carry the 1 over into the hundreds position. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. So we're going to write down the 6, carry the 1 over into the thousands position. And then the last number, 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 1 is 21, for a final answer of 21,605.